What's up everyone? So today I'll be doing a video on how to get your learner's license in Jamaica in 2021 and onwards. So the video starts right now. Alright, so as of January 25th, 2020, the new process to attain your learners has changed. So usually what you would do is to go to the tax office and you would take with you 3 passport size photos. Remember, those photos have to be certified, whether by a JP or a principal or somebody like that. You know, it has to be stamped and certified. Usually you would take 3 passport size photos to the tax office and you would pay your fee along with the application and you would get your learners. But everything has changed. Now, inclusive of all that I said previously, you'll have to sit a written multiple choice road code test. Now, a lot of you guys keep asking about the learners, if you can get a biker's learners or a driver's learners. No, the learner's license is not vehicle specific. What that means is you can use it to either drive a car, drive a bus, anything of that sort, or you can use it to ride a bike. So it's not vehicle specific. Alright, so the process. Step number 1, complete your application form along with your 3 certified passport size photographs, and take those to the Island Traffic Authority, basically the depot of your choice, whichever depot is closest to you or whichever one you rather. After you've taken that information to the depot, they will instruct you and they will actually have you sit the road code test. This test is a free of charge test and it's also multiple choice. Step number 2, once you sit the test and you pass, basically what they're going to do is to give you back your application in a sealed envelope, and that you will basically go ahead and take to the tax office. So once you take that information to the tax office, you will go to the cashier and pay a fee of 1,800 Jamaican dollars. But if you do fail the multiple choice exam, what they'll do at the depot is to instruct you on when you can come back and resit that test. So in most cases, they won't have you resit the test on the same day. And remember, that is also free of charge. Alright, so once you go ahead and pay the $1,800 at the cashier, you would basically wait. It normally takes at least maybe a 15 minutes for you to actually wait in line, and they would stamp up everything right there in front of you, and boom, they would provide you with your learners. Now remember, the learners is only valid for 1 year at a time. So once that learners expires, you'd basically have to, some would call it renew, and some would say you're not renewing it, you're basically getting a learners all over again. So in that process, according to the Jamaica Tax Administration, not according to me, but according to them, once you're renewing your learners after you've done the exam previously, they're saying that you do not have to do the exam again. So it's not like every year you have to be doing the exam, according to them. Now, I don't know if that will change, but this information that I'm giving you is straight from the tax administration's website. So I'm going to include a link in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and click on that link and you'll see all the information that I'm giving you right now. Alright, so in regards to that exam, now the exam only applies to first-time applicants. So basically, if you're applying after January 2020 for the first time, right, or if you're renewing your learners after January 2020 for the first time, you will have to sit that road code test. Alright, and we've made it to the end of the video, but there's one fun fact that I want to share with you guys. Did you know that the learners is the only license that you'll get in Jamaica that is not closed? What that means is the learners is one of the only license that you'll get that is open. The learners, you can drive almost any vehicle without any sort of restriction on it. Because even with me, I have my general license, right? And I'm unable to drive a certain weight class of vehicle because of that restriction. So my license is closed. The learner's license, it's completely open. So as long as you're in the vehicle with somebody who has a valid driver's license, then you will be a-okay. But with the learners, you can drive pretty much anything. Alright guys, so that basically summarizes the video here today. It's a very short video, a very quick video, to the point. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section. I'll definitely read every single comment, respond to every single viable comment. I'll do that. And thank you guys so much once more. Bless up, enough love. Thanks for watching. Paradise Biker out.